Hello, my name is Michael Edmondson, and I'm the Pies That Fly manager at Achatz Handmade Pie Company, located in Chesterfield, Michigan. Today I'm going to walk you through boxing a few of our pies that are going to be shipped to customers across country. This pie is being shipped to Texas, these two are being shipped to Michigan, and this pie is being shipped to Colorado. Our first step is to gather everything we need to ship our pies out. So we have our master carton, our insulated liners, and our bubble wrap to help protect our pies. This is our 10-inch fruit box for our customers to put their pie in. So it'll come with baking instructions, nutritionals, and a packing slip, as well as some stickers. We'll use this tape gun to tape up our master cartons. Our next step, we're going to assemble our master carton. Going to use our trusty tape gun to seal her up. Then we're going to want to put our insulated liner in. Our next step is to grab our pies from our walk-in freezer. After our master carton and liners are assembled, then we want to add our ice pack and our bubble wrap. And we want to lay our bubble wrap down so that way it creates an even surface for our pie to lay. So once we've created an even surface for our pie to lay, we'll want to take our double crust foreberry and set it in here. And then close the liner off. So once we get our inserts in our envelope, we'll place this inside of our 10-inch fruit box and place this on top of our insulated liner. Now we're ready to tape it shut. For our next step, we're going to put on our shipping label and our perishable sticker. So a very important step is to make sure that we get all of our lot numbers for any pies that we are shipping out. We have our lot numbers located on the bottom of the tin. This one is 19146. So that's our process, and now it's time to box up the rest of our pies. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed watching us put wings on our pies so they can fly. For more videos, subscribe to Kitchen to Commerce on YouTube and hit the notification bell. Goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed this video.